Rice porridge. Ingredients: 2 cups packed cooked white rice. About 5 cups chicken stock, vegetable stock, or store-bought chicken or vegetable broth. 2 cups water, plus more as needed. 3 thick slices unpeeled ginger, bruised. 2 green onions, white parts kept whole, green parts cut into thin rings. About ½ teaspoon fine sea salt. Recently ground black pepper, optional. Directions: in a 4-quart saucepan, combine the rice, chicken stock, and water. Cover and let sit overnight at cool room temperature, around or below 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or in the refrigerator. The next morning, add the ginger and the white parts of the green onions to the pot. Partially cover. A small gap is perfect to minimize evaporation and avoid a boil over, and bring to vigorous simmer over high heat. Lower the heat and gently simmer, partially covered, for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally and adjusting the heat as needed. When done, most of the liquid will have been absorbed. You'll see a little separation between the rice and liquid. Discard the ginger and green onions. Stir the pot, cover tightly, turn off the heat, and let rest for 10 minutes to finish thickening. The desired thickness of the porridge can vary according to taste. It can be rustic and thick, or elegant and thin, or somewhere in between. If needed, add a splash of water to thin or cook a little longer to thicken. Taste and season with salt. When ready to serve, reheat the porridge to a simmer, then ladle into individual bowls. Garnish with sliced green onions and pepper. Embellishments: lean, light-tasting jiao responds well to fatty, salty, spicy, herbal enhancements. In addition to, or instead of, garnishing your porridge with green onion and pepper, consider the following, and feel free to mix and match. Toppings: crisp chopped bacon, a fried or soft-boiled egg, and maybe chopped kimchi for punch. Lemongrass tempeh crumbles or crispy caramelized pork crumbles. Chopped sriracha tofu, fried onions or shallots, and coarsely chopped fresh cilantro, mint, or basil. Add-ins: crack a egg into the bowl before ladling in the hot soup. Top with crumbled rice crackers and perhaps ribbons of Korea and toasted seaweed snacks. 1 pack of gim is enough for a batch. Stir well before eating. Drop 8 ounces of raw peeled shrimp into the soup as it heats. When the shrimp are pink and cooked through, ladle out the soup. Add slivered ginger and maybe some gim. Stir in raw or seared mushroom. Add a handful of shredded cooked chicken or some shrimp, or both.